Good morning, all. Our today's topic is mail merge. Often you need to send the same information to several persons. For example, you want to send a letter to several candidates to call for interview. Sometimes you want to send a letter to your friends for invitation. That time matter is same, but address is different. So what to do? We have to make a two letter and merge it. For example, one letter for address and second letter for information, and you can make a 10-15 letter. If you have a 10 address in address book, you can make a 10 letter. If you have a 15 address in address book, you can make a 15 letter with the help of mail merge. So first of all, creating the data source. First of all, we have to create a data source like address book. Here is a text editor where address is typed, but we make our data source directly in our program and make one database. We make this with the help of very simple method. Okay, first of all, I open text document writer. First we type a letter. Simple letter. Okay, this is our letter. Now tools menu, mail merge wizard, and first step, use the current document. Yes, we use our current document. Next, what type of document do you want to create? Letter, email, message. We create letter. Now next step, select different address list. Okay, I make a new address list. So we have to click on create. See this, there are so many fields, but we don't want this all field. So I click on customize, and field that we don't want, just click and delete. Now I click here and delete one by one. Okay, I want city, so I keep it. Address line 2 I delete. Company name I delete. So in our address list, first name, last name, address line 1 and city, 4 field we choose. Now okay, write down first name. Patel Kripa. Parle Point, Surat. Now new. Rajput Yaksh. Vijalpur, Navsari. Make a, okay, we edit. Here I make a mistake, and last name is Patel. Okay, we add to record. Now new. Parthiv Agrawal, Swargate, Surat. delete होगा. So now click on OK. Now give the name of your file. Here I save a database Naranlala 9A. Okay. Now we use this database now. Next step is view and data source. We use Naranlala 9A and we use a table. See this is our table: first name, last name, address line 1 and city. Now click on field one by one, drag it. Just click one field. And click here. Then first name and give a space for a last name. Last name we drag here. Our cursor is here and drag it here. Okay, now address line 1 below the first line. Now again city is below the address line 1. Here we can give a name. Again we insert first names. Okay, here we put our all field where we want to put it. Now mail merge. See this, creating a document. See this is a Kripa Patel. See this is our document Kripa Patel. Okay, like this we can create our all document. Now we can take a print all from 1 to 1. Save as individual document. Then you can save this file as an individual document. So with the help of this you can make a different document. See this. Very simple process. If you want to see the other document preview, I click on 2. Save merge document. Save from 1 to 4. Here I can save file Naranlala 9A. See this is a second document also. See this. Okay, this is our third file. We can see all individual document. See this, there is a 1 2 3 4 file. We can individually save all file. See second number file. Is a Parthiv Agrawal. Third number file. One number file. Yaksh and first number Kripa. This way we can save our file individual with the help of this mail merge command. So mail merge command is used to make a different document with the help of one database. This is complicated, but we make it easy with the help of our practical session. You can print individual letter also. See this mail merge control key with the help of shift click last record. You can print individual. See this, save as individual. We can save all document as an individual file with the help of this option and make a 4 individual file, and you can make a 4 individual printout also. Okay, so these all process are printing and copy. This is a different view of letter. See this, read only view with selected by choosing file, page preview view, 2 page, 1 page, changing a page and page format. See this is a format. You can format your letter from here. Okay, so this is a character option. You want to change a character, font, typeface size, you can do with this option. Preview page before printing. Before print you can take a page preview. Okay, file. This is option of page preview. Okay, how your file look before printing. You can see single page, double page. We have only one page, so you can see the page preview with the help of this close preview. Changing page format and page margin. format page, format menu and page option. See this page background, if you want to give a background to your page, header, footer, border, if you want to give a border, you can give column, if you want to divide your page in column 1 2 3 column, you can do it. See this left, right, top, bottom, this is a margin of your page. You can change the size of your page when you take a print out. By default this is a letter, you can make it A4 size. Portrait or landscape, there is two orientation, portrait and landscape. Portrait means vertical and landscape is horizontal page. So before printing you can set all these settings. Margins, you can change margin left, right, top, bottom, and you can change the size of your page also with the help of format page. See this background, header, footer, column. We can divide our page in column also. Header, footer, you can make numbering page, insert field number. There is more than one page, you can also give insert fields page number, insert fields page number. Okay, we put your cursor at the end of our document. Where you want to give a page number. See this insert fields page number. You can insert page number. See this is second page, this is a third page. Like this you can give a page number. Insert field page number. Footnotes and endnotes. Okay, if you give a footnote below the document, you can also give a footnote in your document. You can say endnote also. Last command is a numbering. You can use either number or a symbol for reference. You can select automatic or a character from available option. The default option selected is automatic. In such case, numbering will use for reference. If you select character, you can use any symbol for reference. To insert symbol, click on this to display set of symbol. Select symbol as per your choice. Okay, footnote option is selected by default for inserting footnote. To have endnote, you have to select endnote option. The same option are explained in numbering application to endnote, also applicable to footnote. The only difference is position as mentioned below. So insert, footnote, endnote. Automatic and character. If you insert character, you can insert from here. By default footnote select, you can select endnote also. See this, like this symbol you can see on your document. So our chapter is complete now. So solve your MCQ questions. There is 11 question, sorry, 15 question MCQ question. So solve it. Thank you.